Good morning, children. How are you? Say, I'm fine, thank you. Very good. Today we are going to learn about a season. See, what season is going on? It's rainy season. You see rain. बाहर क्या होती है? बारिश होती है. And this is rainy season. When it's rainy season, there's rain every day, almost every day. And we are experiencing a rainy season now. It's month of July. And in the month of July, we have rainy season. I'm going to tell you a small poem on rainy season. It's in your textbook, huh? Rainy season. It's wet, wet, wet. It's wet, wet, wet. In June, July, August and September. In June, July, August and September. It is the rainy season. During the month of June, July, August and September, we have rainy season. There is rain everywhere. Lots of rain falls. And we all enjoy the rainy season. And during rainy season, we all enjoy pakoras. We enjoy corn, bhutta. And we also enjoy hot soups during rainy season. These are some traditional foods that we eat during rainy season. Common food that we eat during rainy season. It helps to keep us healthy. Yes. And there are some animals, common animals that we see during rainy season. The most common one is the frog. Do you remember the rhymes? Frog, little froggies are seen everywhere. Yes, during rainy season, little froggies are seen everywhere. You can see lots of frogs. Whenever you go out, you will hear the sound of the frogs. Trr, trr, trr. And you can see a lot of frogs there. And you can also see snails. And you can see many earthworms and other insects also during the rainy season. Lot of insects are seen during rainy season. And what else do you see? Yes, you can see peacock during the rainy season. Our national bird, peacock. Rainy season is the favorite season of the peacock. The peacock likes to dance during the rainy season. The peacock spreads its feathers and dances with joy when it rains. And what do we use during rainy season? What do we wear during rainy season? When you go out, when it's raining and you go out, what do you wear? Yes, you wear a raincoat and you hold an umbrella during the rainy season to protect yourself from getting wet. So, these are all things that we do and things that we use during rainy season. I know you all must be wondering, how does the rain falls? Where does the rain come from? Yes, you all want to know that. Huh? I am going to tell you how the rain comes from. This is your worksheet and let's start with the date first. The date is 19th of July 2021 and this is the water cycle. This is the water cycle. How the rain comes. You all know it was summer holidays, summer vacations, huh? That means it was summer season and then came the rainy season. During summer season, the sun is very hot and all the water from the rivers, ponds that gets heated up. सब गर्म हो जाता है, heated up हो जाता है and it becomes water vapor. Water vapor बनके हवा में उड़ने लगता है. Water, river का water vapor बन जाता है और हवा में उड़ने लगता है. उड़ के कहाँ पहुँचता है? It reaches the clouds. There's lot of water vapor in the clouds. And this water vapor, when it cools down, water vapor cools down and it becomes water again. And this water falls down on the earth as rains. जो पानी रिवर से वाटर वेपर बनकर के क्लाउड बना, वही कूल डाउन होकर के नीचे बारिश के रूप में आता है. This is how the rains are formed. Now we'll do some exercise on rainy season. Here's some work that you have to do in your worksheet. Cross. Cross means you have to make an X like this. Cross the picture which do not belong to the rainy season. Here some pictures are given. There are 6 pictures. You have to cross those pictures that do not belong to the rainy season. Umbrella. Does an umbrella belong to the rainy season? Yes, the umbrella belongs to the rainy season. So you don't have to make a cross here. Peacock. Yes, the peacock belongs to rainy season. So you don't have to make a cross here. And what is this? This is a sweater. Does a sweater belong to rainy season? No, it doesn't belong to rainy season. Do we wear a sweater during the rainy season? No, we wear raincoat. So you have to make a cross here. And what is this? Yes, it's the favorite of all of you, I think. Corn. Does it belong to the rainy season? Yes, it is a favorite food we eat during rainy season. So you don't have to make a cross here. And here you can see a sun and the sailboat. Does this picture belong to rainy season? No. So you have to make a cross here. And what is this? This is a road. Oh, it is a gum boot that we use during the rainy season. This is a kind of shoes that we wear during the rainy season. It is made of rubber. So you don't have to make a cross here. This is gum boot. It is used during the rainy season. You have to cross the sweater and the sailboat. And you also have an exercise in your textbook on rainy season. Here also you can complete this. Cross the picture which do not belong to the rainy season. Here, this belongs to the rainy season and this also belongs to the rainy season. So you don't have to make a cross here. This doesn't belong to the rainy season, so you have to make a cross here. This belongs to a rainy season. Yes, this is a raincoat. And this sweater and muffler and a cap, woolen cap. This does not belong to a rainy season, so you have to make a cross here. And the peacock belongs to the rainy season, so you don't have to make a cross here. And here's something special for you. Color the frog. There's a frog drawn here and you have to color the frog. Okay children, you can do it for yourself. Now we'll do another worksheet. This worksheet is on my body. You have learned about yourself. You are a boy, you are a girl, you know all the body parts. Now we'll do a worksheet on it. Here there are some clothes which are worn by you. You have to circle only those clothes that you wear. If you are a girl, you have to circle a frock. And if you are a boy, you have to circle the shirt. It's like whatever you wear, you have to circle those clothes. This is a shorts. This type of shorts are worn by the boys. So the boys will circle the shorts. Sandals are worn by, yes, both girls and boys can circle this. T-shirt. It is a t-shirt. Even girls wear t-shirt, but this is the kind of t-shirt that boys wear. So the boys will circle it. Shoes. Shoes are worn by almost all of you, so you can circle it. And what is this? Frock. Do the boys wear a frock? No. So the boys will not circle it. Only the girls will circle the frock. This is an underwear. Yes, both boys and girls can circle it. Socks. Socks is worn by both boys and girls. So you can circle it. Slip. This kind of slip is worn by the girls. So only girls will circle this. Shirt. This shirt is shirt. Shirts are worn by girls or boys? Yes, by the boys. So you have the boys will circle it. Girls will not circle it. Vest. This vest is worn by boys. Yes, the boys will circle it. Okay. This is how you have to do. You have to circle only those things that you wear. Okay children, complete your worksheet. See you. Have a nice day.